lazım, ne yapılacak? Onlar hakkında bir konuşma geçiyor aralarında. Ben hemen devam ediyorum. Buyurun beyefendiler. Evet, heyecanlı olabilirler.
Başlayalım mı? Hey, would you like to do camping this weekend? It sounds great.
Yes, this is a great idea.
Yes, where are we going to go? We can go to Çanakkale. Çanakkale is beautiful. We can swim too. Okay, what we need to ask our parents first.
What do we need for camping?
Let's make a list. Okay, I have a pen and paper.
We need a tent.
We will need a flashlight. What are we going to eat?
We can take some food with us.
We need some clothing, sneakers, sandals. We need a tea kettle too. We are forgetting something. We need money. Let's talk to our parents tonight. We can go to Çanakkale tomorrow morning. Okay, I'm very excited.
Yes, me too.
I want the weather to be perfect this weekend.